First step, making sure the payload is 8 ounces, 8.7. A little heavy, but it'll work. So I've just attached the stomp plate, which I'm going to use to launch the payload from down here out of this little pot here. Fits pretty well. I just need to put it in real quick. Engine plans, I realized I couldn't put a nail through that, so I'm actually going to have to use this for the holding of the payload. So you're going to have to nail that through real quick. So pretty easy. Now I just have to get this part of the nail down. So it doesn't come out after launches. Make sure that's still pretty good on there. So here's gonna be what I'm using to launch. I just have to create a point which I can then launch off of. After a first quick test, I realized that it was a little too long and it snapped. Actually, I didn't realize it. It just kind of snapped. So I now have to move this back over here. So hopefully it won't snap this time. And littler pieces. About that size will do. After attaching the new stomp plate, decided to run another quick little test here, hoping this one doesn't end nearly as bad as the last one did. So here goes nothing. I've realized the only thing plywood is useful for is stomping on, apparently. Decided to step up this material, because this one, because I realized it's not really good for sporting much force. Sadly, my carrier is attached to this one, so we're gonna have to find another carrier so I can attach it. I'm gonna put that on and get to work. So I managed to salvage the holder from the old one, so I'm going to do another test to see how it holds up. So after successfully hitting the 25 feet, my holder broke. So gotta find another one. Alright, so this is the 25 foot drone. Obviously the fulcrum a lot higher and bigger, so it has a little trouble getting over it. So it takes a little more work, but it gets about to the 25 mark. So 50 foot design for the log that I used to rotate. So it's just as simple as this is the 25 foot design. All you gotta do, change the fulcrum height. I found this is about where it peaks. It hits about 50, as you saw in the video. With this, a little bigger fulcrum, less distance, about more median. And it's not necessarily how big the fulcrum is, it's more of the length of the catapult compared to the size of the fulcrum. So since it's way bigger than the catapult, it's not going to launch as far. So that's my COVID-19 drafting project.